recording, no? Ayan guys, ito yung ano pala sinalihan natin na negosyo. It's Ono. Ayan guys, so sumali kayo dito, magkaroon kayo ng mga magkaroon kayo ng anong tawag dito yung um, online store. So yan, so ito yung mga binibenta natin. Mayroon kaming kape. Ayan, ito yung kape. Ayan, it's 421 pesos lang, no? So, i-type ko pala yung i-type ko yung papakita ko sa inyo yung ilalagay ko sa link, no? Sa mga gusto ng kape. Ito po yung link sa mga gusto ng kape. Yan, ta-type natin sa ano natin. Dito sa ano natin. Sa may Facebook natin. Ayan guys, yung link. Ayan. Ayan, sa mga gusto ng kape. Ayan guys. So, yan yung kape natin. So, it's 421 pesos yung kape natin. It's a food supplement from premium Arabica beans, roasted to perfection, and combines the wonders of agaricus mushroom, tongkat ali, ginkgo biloba, omega-3, calcium carbonate mixed with non-dairy creamier and natural sweetener. So the antioxidant properties of natural coffee is boosted with a combination of ginkgo biloba, which is known to improve memory and other cognitive functions. Tongkat Ali, with its vitalizing effects, the immune-strengthening qualities of agaricus mushroom, and omega-3 DHA, 8-in-1 coffee, good for immune system booster. Yun, anti-cancer, anti-tumor, aids in weight loss, lower cholesterol levels, improves memory and other cognitive functions, enhances blood circulation, reduces cardiovascular pressure, and aphrodisiac that can improve sexual performance. Ayan. So, yan yung ano natin, kape, isa sa mga produkto, no? So, pwede kayong mag-order. Ayun, may link ako na inilagay sa ano natin. Another naman is ito, yung cappuccino, no? Meron tayong cappuccino. Is a popular Italian drink. Its name came from robe color of cappuccine friars, which is light or darkish brown with a white hood. Italians only take cappuccino during breakfast and on night outs. In other parts of the world, people take cappuccino any time of the day. Moringa, also known as miracle tree, is a multiple purpose plant as the leaves, pods, fruits, flowers, roots, and bark of the tree can be utilized. So, yung cappuccino, yung ingredients nito is cappuccino, agaricus blazimuril, calcium carbonate, ginkgo biloba, guyabano powder, mangosteen, moringa powder, omega-3, and tungkat ali. Key ingredients and benefits. Ayan, yung mga benefits, no? Then meron tayong, balik natin yung mga other products. Mayroon tayong tsokolate, yung mga gusto ng choco. So it's a refreshing, healthy beverage, contains all the natural goodness from nature. Sourced from premium selected cocoa beans from Ghana, Africa. First Health Choco 8 is fortified with all the health-giving benefits of agaricus mushroom, ginkgo biloba, natural calcium, chlorella, and omega-3. Your invigorating energy drink brings life in its every cup, keeping you healthy, strong, and mentally alert. Truly a premium chocolate mix with a healthy twist. Choco 8 chocolate drink for kids and adult. Chlorella Growth Factor DHA health drink best seller. So best seller namin to guys, itong Choco 8. So another product meron kami is ito, it's juice. A healthy first health prime juice, no? Two most powerful juice in the world today. Published research papers show that goji and mangosteen can help your body maintain the optimal health vitality we all deserve. So, mga benefits niya, improve your immune system, build strong blood cells, prevent and fight cancer, anti-diarrheal, and improve digestion, BFAD halal certified and FDA approved, a super brand product. Ayan, sa mga gusto ng juice, no? Then, meron din tayong ito. Wala tayong stock dito. You can order online, no? Pwede kayo online mag-order. Ilagay natin yung link ulit para makapag-order kayo online directly, no? Directly online, makapag-order kayo order online. Ayan. Sila na yung no? Sila na yung, anong tawag dito? Sila na yung magbibigay sa atin ng komisyon. Ayan, yan, order online, yan yung ano natin para makapag-order kayo online. Ayan, so continue tayo sa mga other, Cola Boost Effervescent Tablet. Ano ito? Introducing new Cola Boost, an effervescent tablet that helps boost your collagen. Plus meron pa itong glutathione, vitamin C and E to boost your energy and immune system. Ayan, ngayon ko pa lang ito nakita na produkto, no, namin. And ito din, ngayon ko pa din ito nakita. Live More. It is a food supplement with a combination of collagen and glucosamine that will help boost your bone and joint health. Collagen is necessary to keep the bones strong and supported. It can help you make your bone denser and slows the aging process that makes it brittle. It also helps you maintain the integrity of your cartilage that protects your joints. Glucosamine, the body uses glucosamine to build and repair cartilage. Cartilage is a flexible, tough, rubbery connective tissue. Yun bang yung kinakain natin sa karne na yung parang masarap siya kainin, no? Yun yung cartilage, no? It provides padding and prevents the bones from rubbing together. It helps reduce the weakening of bones and reduces joint pain, especially people with osteoarthritis. Okay, meron pala tayong bagong product na ganito, no? Then ito, another Live More, Ginora Procombins. Introducing new Ginora Procombins by Live More, a revolutionary 2-in-1 food supplement that helps lower your blood sugar and blood pressure. Ayan, color green. Ayan yung presyo, guys. Then ito, mayroong renewal set, no? Sa mga gustong magpaganda, ayan, order na kayo. The Natural White Skin Renewal Set offers a way to skin renewal and is safe for all skin types. So we have a toner, Kojic facial soap, day cream, at saka night cream. Ayan, it's $9.99 only, guys. Then, meron pa tayong mga ibang product. Ayan. Ayan, portable air purifier, no? 2,499. So it shields you from germs, airborne viruses, dust, and molds in the air. Minimize stress level, boosts immune system, improves blood circulation, helps prevent colds, allergies, or asthma, anti-radiation, helps relieve tension, and helps improve sleeping patterns. So, yan. It's 2,000 plus 2,500, around 2,500 na siya, guys. Then, ano pa bang meron tayo? Ayan, ito. Sa mga bata, ayan. Gummies for Kids is a food supplement that can help boost the appetite and growth booster. It can also help in supporting the brain development of your kids. Ayan. Para sa bata, may multivitamins para sa mga bata. Then, ano pa bang meron? Ito, 8-in-1 coffee. Ayan. First Health 8-in-1 coffee. Ayan, 562. Maraming benefits, no? Yan yung mga nakalista ng mga benefits. Ano pa bang meron tayo? So, ito, meron din tayong toothpaste. Yan. Advanced toothpaste. Yan. Ayan. Then, ano pang meron tayo? Meron tayong cappuccino. Ayan, yung Choco 8. Iba, meron na yung Choco sa taas. Iba siya, 409. Dito, maano siya, medyo malaki. So, medyo mahal din, no? At cappuccino, Choco 8, Prime Juice. Then, meron tayong ito. First Health Magic Cream. Ayan, yung Magic Cream. Ayan, 690, no? Yan, guys. Then, ano pa bang meron tayo? Ayan. Meron tayong soap. May deodorant. Meron tayong another soap na Kojic. Yung Natural White Light Formula, meron tayo. Meron tayong beauty soap na Noville. Merong Max Out. Ayan. Merong yung glutathione natin. Natural White na glutathione. Meron tayong Pro Cardio. Ayan. Yung Procardio. Ito yung Santa Berries. May copper mask. Ayan, may mga brochure. Ito guys, sa mga gustong magkaroon ng pendant, ayan, 5,800 yung pendant, no? Uno scalar pendant is made from natural minerals and germanium dioxide that are fused and bonded at a molecular level. It produces scalar energy that restores the body's energy by helping to balance its bioelectric field. Inwardly, scalar energy helps by facilitating cell permeability, thereby enhancing many physiological functions. Outwardly, it enhances the body's bioelectric field, which is essential to overall good health. So, radiation protection, improve circulation, calm the mind, and improve focus. Helps to retard the aging process, improve stamina, endurance, and strength. Improve sleep and eliminate neurasthenia. Enhances the immune and endocrine systems. Alleviate soreness and aches and pains and improve flexibility. Enhances cellular permeability, nutrition, and detoxification. The pendant contains volcanic rock component and can produce negative ion energy. Ayan. Function, lose weight. Maka-lose weight pala ito guys. At saka radiation protection, 5,800. Meron tayong stock dyan. Yung kulay niya is ano, hindi black. So sa mga gustong mag-order, meron tayo niyan. Pwede na hindi mag-order online yun. Dito na kasi sa akin. Then yung ano, Ultima C. Ayan guys, ito yung Ultima C. Ito yung magnetic na bracelet. Meron din kaming bracelet. Ito yung Crypto Organic. Vita, Vita grape seed. That's 690. Then mayroon ding virgin coconut oil, mayroon ding wheat, grass and barley at saka zinc. Ayan. Itong zinc is siya 100 siya no? Importante pala yung vitamins, Vitalife Zinc plus vitamin D. Yan, importante yung zinc sa ating katawan. Ayan, so yun guys, yun yung mga binibenta natin, no? Ayan, so pag mag-order kayo dyan sa link, yan na yung price, wala nang dagdag na, sila na siguro yung mag-deliver dyan. Try natin. Pwede ba ako mag-shopping? Yan, try natin. Yan, add to cart. Go to cart. Ayan, tapos proceed to check out. Ayan, so ito guys, pwede pala cash on delivery. Lagyan nyo yung mga details dyan, pangalan. Tapos, ayun. So, may courier pala dito na options, door-to-door delivery, Uno branch pickup, courier branch pickup, or door-to-door delivery. Ayan, pag door-to-door delivery. Ayan, may shipping fee, no? Hindi pa kasi kailangan mo fill upan ito lahat. So once ma-okay yan, automatic yan na pag sa mga gustong magkaroon ng negosyo, so ang mangyari dyan is, ayan, automatic na may bibili kayo. Meron kayong online na tindahan. Ito yung online na tindahan ko. Automatic meron yung may mga parang sharing dyan pag may bumili dyan sa store ninyo, online store. Tapos, ayun, yun yung kagandahan. Meron kang online store. So, sila na yung nagpapak dyan. Sila na yung, sila na yung nagbigay sa'yo ng online store mo. So, iba, no? Tapos, aside sa meron, kasi kailangan din natin bumili. Pwede din tayong distributor kasi tayo. Pwede tayong, meron akong stocks. Meron akong stock ng zinc. Meron akong wheatgrass barley. Sa zinc, I guess, mga ilang stock kaya meron ako dito, mga nasa around, di ko pa alam. Basta may stock ako na zinc, madami yun. Tapos meron akong stock ng wheatgrass barley. Meron akong virgin coconut oil. Marami akong grapeseed. I guess ito meron akong isa. Dito meron akong dalawa. Dito meron akong isa. Wala akong bracelet. So, pwede kayo mag-order online. Ayan. Ito marami tayong itong glutathione. Ayan. So, basahin natin yung mga benefits nito kasi 2.5 siya, oh. So, the nourishing benefits of glutathione serves as a powerful antioxidant to protect key cell components from damage by neutralizing these free radicals. It improves the cardiovascular and immune systems. It also detoxifies, eliminates free radicals and peroxides. It repairs DNA synthesis, an important factor in the prevention of cancer. Amino acid support. The steady schedule of amino acid our bodies necessary immune system enhancement. The body, like any machine, weakens and deteriorates. Enzyme activation. These protein molecules that possesses catalytic activity needs pump priming every now and then to speed up chemical reactions in the body and maintain its overall healthy condition. It contains collagen, which aids in reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Ayan pala yung collagen, no? And sodium ascorbate, an antioxidant that fights free radicals that causes skin darkening. Tomato crystals, which helps in achieving the pinkish glow appearance of the skin. So, natural glutathione, beyond whitening. Ayan guys, bili na kayo. Meron tayong stock dito sa bahay for Siocon, area Baligyan, at saka Sirawai at Sibuko, no? Yung mga gustong bumili sa atin, no? Ayan, so, ayan guys. Yan. So, tapos na po tayo sa ating online selling. Before we'll end, ano ba? Meron tayong ang nangyari sa atin ngayon, no? Ano bang nangyari? Nagbinta tayo online. Ayan. So, yan. So, post na lang natin doon sa ano natin, no? Sige, end na natin. So, maraming salamat sa inyo. Until next time, sa mga kasama natin. Always remember po, learning is lifetime. Please do not forget to subscribe Sir Parts online channel. Lagay ko muna yung link, no? Ng Sir Parts online channel. Okay. So, ano na tayo? 1,815 na po tayo. Madami na po tayo sa Sir Parts online. And patuloy pa tayong dadami. At ayan guys. Saan ba yung load? Mang? Ayan. Excited na ako tomorrow. Ito yung Sir Parts online channel natin. Yan yung link. So, subscribe din po. Maraming salamat sa mga nag-subscribe sa atin. Please share po sa ating mga kaibigan para at everyone. May ano sila at everyone, no? At everyone. Pwede ba yan? At everyone. Try natin. So, maano na nila yan? Ayan guys. So, maraming salamat. For reactions lang tayo. It's already night at matulog na po tayo. Bye-bye. Always remember, learning is lifetime po.